Hi, everybody. I'm Sherry Hudson Passy from the SLIG Committee, and I have got Annette Burke Lyttle with me today to talk about her course, Organizing, Preserving, and Disaster-Proofing Your Family Archive. And I am so excited about this class. It sounds so interesting because
Mhm.
I think I'm organized and I'm trying to locate some pictures and I'm thinking, I thought they were here. And then I find some here. And then I find some over here. I'm like, I thought I was doing a better job than this. So tell me about this class. Get like a brief overview of what's going to happen.
You bet, and we can help you with that, Sherry.
Yes.
Well, we all have family archives, whether we think about them in those terms or
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
And as family historians, we often end up as the keepers of the stuff.
Yes.
Um, and and we end up with lots of questions about how to organize and preserve our family treasures. And so this course is designed to help us think like archivists about these family treasures and to give us very practical advice on how to organize and preserve and safely store and even to share our digital and physical
Mm,
family archives.
mhm. Sounds wonderful. It just sounds like something I really need. I'm discovering lately more than I thought I did. So, so who is this course for?
Well, the course is for family historians of all skill levels, whether they're brand new to the world of genealogy or whether they've been around for decades. Um, it's for people who have a family archive that they want to learn to organize and safely store and also share with other family members. So anybody who wants to be a good custodian of their family treasures.
I love this too, because I'm thinking for those people who are a little nervous, they've never taken an
Mhm.
institute class before, this is
Yeah,
perfect. This is a
it
perfect
is.
way to get in and find out what institutes are all about and how fun they are. So I think this is a perfect course for
Mhm.
anybody. So I'm glad you're doing this course. So any prerequisites? I guess you have to have some stuff.
Well, you do have to have some stuff or anticipate having some
Yeah.
stuff. But there are no formal prerequisites, no, because we want to welcome anybody who wants to be
Sure.
that good steward of their family history and their family heirlooms.
Exactly. Now, what other instructors are going to be teaching this with you?
Well, we have a powerhouse faculty for the course, and besides just naming them, I want to tell everybody a little bit about
Okay.
them. Now, Maureen Taylor, most people would
Uh,
recognize her name, the photo detective. She's going to teach classes on preserving photos, on creating a family archive through collaboration with other family members, and on using digital photography and scanning for preservation and sharing. Then we have Nancy Lowe, another archivist, librarian, and genealogical speaker, and she's going to talk to us about how to think like an archivist, how to organize both physical and digital items, and using cloud services and offsite storage as backup for our archives.
mhm.
And then Melissa Barker, who is the archivist at the Houston County, Tennessee Archives and Museums, and also a genealogical speaker that people will be familiar with. She's going to
Absolutely.
talk about archival supplies, about preserving documents and ephemera and textile items, as
Mhm.
well as creating finding aids so we can find what we have. She'll also talk about how to share our collections without giving them away and how to find a home for our archives if we do want to donate our family collection.
Yes.
Then Carol Roberts, she was a conservation manager at the Tennessee State Library and Archives. She's also a genealogical speaker. Her classes are going to include safe storage in your home, um, preservation dangers to look out for, and disaster preparedness.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, Laura Kavarik, who has a degree in historic preservation, and she's very active in the genealogy world. She's going to talk about preserving three-dimensional items.
Oh, wow.
And
Yes.
so, yeah, we're covering pretty much everything.
Everything. All this
Yeah.
stuff that I've got in my house.
Mhm. Yep.
Yes, that most of us have, in our homes. What a wonderful, wonderful course. And just to dig right in and have a week of learning how to do that. And I think it's wonderful. I think it's a great idea. And I'm so grateful that you are teaching this and with the rest of your instructors. It sounds like a wonderful, wonderful class that we should be be a prerequisite just to be a family historian. Because you gather all this stuff, and if you don't take care of it, you
Oh,
lose
yeah.
it, or it
Lose it.
deteriorates or whatever. So um I'm really excited about this course, and I think other people are going to be really excited about it too. Is
Yeah,
there
I hope so.
anything that we haven't mentioned that you would like to add?
Well, a couple of things.
Okay.
I've asked all the faculty members to make their sessions as interactive as possible.
Mhm.
So it's not going to be just lecture after lecture
Yes.
after lecture.
Yes.
We're hoping for lively discussion, or we're going to include a number of hands-on activities.
Great.
We've devoted one class session to one-on-one consultations between
Oh,
students and faculty
nice.
members. So people can ask questions specific to their own family treasures that they want to preserve. And I'm just really excited about this course.
Sounds fun. I would have to just, think ahead and bring everything and stack it up in my office and one at a time. Now, what do I do with this? What do I do with this? What a
Mhm.
great course. This sounds wonderful. It really sounds great. I think it's going to be a big hit. So I appreciate you coming on and talking to me about it and letting people know what the course is all about. And so if you would like to find out more information about this course, registration, and other of the SLIG courses, just go to the SLIG website and you'll find everything you need to know there. So, Annette, thank you so much for being with me.
Mhm.
And for those of you viewing, hope you will check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube page and make your choices about what courses are best for you and get registered for SLIG. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye.